In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear formatting from copied text in Gmail. If you've ever copied text from a website or a document and pasted it into an email, you've probably seen funky fonts, odd colors, background highlights, or unwanted spacing show up. That extra styling can make your message look inconsistent or unprofessional. The good news is that Gmail has a built-in tool to wipe that styling away in just a couple of clicks, while keeping the words themselves intact. Start by composing your email as you normally would and paste the text into the message body. Don't worry about how it looks just yet. Pasting it normally ensures you get all the content in one place before you clean it up. You'll see the pasted text carry over whatever styling it had from the original source, and that's exactly what we're about to remove. Next, highlight the text you want to clean. You can select a small section or the entire message, depending on what needs attention. Take a moment to make sure you've included everything you want to fix, especially if the formatting is scattered across multiple paragraphs. Now look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the Formatting Options button. It's the letter A with an underline. This opens the full set of styling tools for your message. If your window is narrow, the toolbar might be partially collapsed. Expanding it will reveal the option we need. With your text still highlighted, click the Remove Formatting button, labeled with a TX. The change is immediate. Fonts will revert to Gmail's default, colors and background highlights are cleared, bold and italic styling are removed, and spacing becomes consistent. Your text remains readable and clean with line breaks preserved so your paragraphs stay organized. This step is especially helpful if you've pasted from a source that used custom fonts or embedded styles that don't match your email's look. After clearing formatting, you can reapply only what you want, like bolding a heading or adding a link, using the same formatting toolbar. This way you keep a polished, consistent style without the clutter that came in from elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Paste the text, highlight it, open formatting options, and click Remove Formatting. It's a quick and reliable way to make your emails look clean and professional every time. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.